Tonight we're actually making history. Although it may be few in number, we're making history on tonight. Because we're putting something in the earth that has never been put there before. Something is being released in the earth that has never, ever been released in the earth before. There is a sound that God has created. And that sound is being released in the earth on today. And if you can open up your mouth and get past everything that you feel, that sound that's being released, while you're releasing the sound,